Hi guys, so let's talk about protecting our investment. Over $1,000 in my hand here. Well, if I had the pair with me, it's over $1,000 easily, and you guys know that. So we need to protect it from water damage because we're on the ice and water seeps in through the screw holes, through any scratches or defects that we create by lunging or knee sliding in the sole and in the fabric itself, whether it's leather or synthetic. We can protect this whole thing very easily these days. Previously, in the past, I used to use wax. I actually would get a towel, some wax, and then wax the sole, which was a harlic wood, and that would protect it, but it was very messy, it took longer, and it was just kind of painstaking. So nowadays, I'm gonna show you here to follow a product that you can just spray right on. In the link, in the description, there'll be a link to Amazon, and you'll see the product. You can research it on your own, and it's a quick spray that'll cover everything, it'll protect everything, and do it maybe once every 2 weeks, once a month, and you're all set. So stay tuned. All right, it's actually a rainy day, so that's what you guys hear. So let's see, this particular bottle, we are going to flip it open by doing that. Actually, it's closed right now in this position, and we're just going to twist it. I think that's open. That's closed. There we go. Okay. All right, I have some gloves on. Okay. Here we go. We're going to start off with one of the sides. And then we're going to gently place, I don't have any guards on right here. You can have guards on, probably a good idea, but I gently place it on the blade so I can get the front. Nice thorough job. Gently on the blade. Let's do the side. Sorry about the wind there. And we're having a storm here, a rainstorm. Lots of rain locally here. All right, let's get the back. I'm doing this with one hand, so it's taking a little longer than it normally would. I'll get the underneath now, side. The other boot, obviously, I've already done. That's why it looks so wet. But let's thoroughly get all the crevices here. I think I've done a very thorough job, even with one hand, as I'm videoing. So you get the idea. I'm gonna wipe the blade off, and then I'm gonna let this dry. 24 hours, it says, for a full dry. And that's that. All right, guys. I hope that was useful. If you want to see more videos like this, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.